Hey everybody, what's up? Thanks for watching another Do You Even Hurl Butt? Or is it Do You Even Hurl Butt video? Either way, we'll figure that out one of these days. Today I'm going to show you something that I've always wanted to learn and I never did, but I finally took the time, so I thought I'd show you, and that is how to solve a Rubik's Cube. If you have a couple minutes, I'd like to show you how to go from this to this. Cheap visual effect there. Check this out. Alright, step one is familiarizing yourself with the cube. Move it around, up, down, left, right, that kind of thing to get a feel for it between your hands. Next, I'm going to show you a particular sequence that will help you solve the Rubik's Cube. And we're going to start here on my right hand in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the right. Now we're going to do it with the left hand. Left side up, top to the right, left side down, top to the left. Here we go again. Right side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the right. Left side up, top to the right, left side down, top to the left. And this is the pattern that you want to start learning how to do until you can become pretty proficient in it. Watch as I go. This took me a long time to get to this speed, and I'm still not very fast, but just practice this particular move for a while and you'll start to get a feel for it. We're going to go over it again. Here we go. Ready? Right side up, top side left, right side down, top side right, left side up, left side right, left side down, top side left, right up, top left, right down, top right. See? Go back and forth until you get it, and then we're going to move on to the next step. The next step, which is really the first step in solving the cube, is called the white cross or the white plus sign. Basically, the white side of the cube is the top, and you want to get this piece here and the other 3 cross pieces to be white by getting them to the top. So I like to start on the bottom, and here you're going to see we've got a red and a white piece, so I'm going to turn it until the red piece matches up with the red center, and then move it to the top by twisting it here. And that's the basic principle, is you want to get the 4 cross pieces to the top, matching with their corresponding center color. So here we're going to do orange. I'm going to turn it to the orange centerpiece and then move it to the top. Next we're going to do, let's see here, green. I'm going to move green to the bottom because that's the first step. You want it to be on the bottom, and sometimes it's harder than others. As you can see, I'm moving the orange back into place after I've gotten the green on bottom. Now move the green to the center green, and we're going to turn it to the top. And I think the last color we have is blue. So we are going to move this blue centerpiece to the bottom, step 1. Watch how I do this. I move it to the other side, move it to the top, and then move it to the bottom. But now I'm going to twist it off so that I can move orange back into place. And now I can just move the blue to the top because it's connected to the center there. Like I said, each cross piece is different, but the basic principle is get the white cross piece on the bottom to the top. Next, we're going to do the 4 corners. This is kind of similar principle where you want it to match the corresponding center colors. And I also like to start on the bottom. So we've got this corner piece here that's for orange and blue, which means it's in the right spot. So we're just going to try it here and do that move that we learned in the previous step. And there you go. It's in the right position. So I'm going to do that again. Here's a red and a green piece. So I'm going to move it so that the red and the green are the centers. And then I'm just going to do that move again that we learned previously. Perfect. All right, here we go again. Look at the top. I've got a blue and a red corner piece. I'm going to turn it so that it's centered between the blue and the red centers. And then I'm going to do that move from the previous step. It's going to go right up, top left, right down, right, top to the right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. And you just keep doing that until that corner piece gets into the spot. And then we've got one more corner piece for green and orange. So move it so that the green is centered and the orange is centered. And we're going to do that move again. And the top is solved. We've got the cross and the 4 corners. After the top is solved, we want to solve for the middle row so that you have all the same colors on the middle and top row. And the way we're going to do that is by positioning the cross pieces from the bottom into the right spot. So here's how we're going to do this. Here you see a green and a red piece right there at the cross piece. I want to move that red piece to the left. So that means I have to turn the top to the right. And then I'm going to do that move from our first step with my left hand. And then turn it to the right again, because now I want to put the white piece back by doing the move with my right hand. And as you can see, we've moved the green to the left. Next, we're going to do this blue piece. So I want it to go to the left, which means I have to turn the top to the right, and then do the move with my left hand. And then put the white piece back by turning it to the right and doing the move with my right hand. And now we've got red completed and green completed, and we're going to do an orange piece. Okay, the orange wants to go to the left, so I need to turn the top to the right, do the move with my left hand, turn it to the right again, and put the white piece back in by doing the move with my right hand. And as you can see, the middle and top rows are completed. Next, we're going to do the yellow cross. Step 1 is by turning the front to the right and doing the move with your right hand, and then turning the front back to the left. We don't quite have it, so I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to try it here. Turn the front to the right, do the move with your right hand, turn the front to the left, and we don't quite have it, so we're going to turn it. Let's try it again. Front to the right, do the move with the right hand, turn the front to the left, and we've succeeded. Now we have the yellow cross. The next part is we want to match up all of the middle colors. See here, we've got all the greens. We want that to be the same all the way around. Now, in this particular instance, I can't get, let's see here, I'm going to turn it around. It looks like I have opposite colors. And when that happens, what you want to try to do is make it so that you can get the back and the right side matching colors. And since I can't, I'm going to try and move the pieces to a position that will help me. So I'm going to turn the right up, then to the left, then the right down, then to the left again, then the right up. Then I'm going to put the white piece back and move it down. Now let's see if that works. So I've got the blue lined up, orange, no, hold on. Let's check this out, hold on. Okay, here we go. So I've got red and blue matched up, and red's in the back, which is where I want it to be, and blue's on the right. And we're going to match the other two colors with our right hand by doing that move again. Right side up, top to the left, right side down, top to the left again, right side up. Then we're going to move that white piece back into position and put the white row back. And as you can see here, it looks like it worked. We've got a green, an orange, a blue, and a red row all centered. And now we're going to make sure that the yellow corners are in the right position. So we're going to take a look at these and see if they're in the right position by matching the centers and the colors corresponding with the piece. So green and red don't match there, blue and orange don't match there, but here red center, blue center, so this matches. So this next sequence is going to help get us the other positions in the right spot. So it's top to the left, and then you're going to move the right side up, then the top to the right, and move the left side up. Then reverse, top, left, right side down, top, right, left side down. And let's check to see if we're in the right spot. So that's in the right spot. That is not. That is not. So we're going to do this again. So we're going to go top to the left, right side up, top to the right, left side up, then reverse, top to the left, right side down, top to the right, left side down. And now let's check it. Okay, that piece is in the right position there. That piece is also matching. That piece is straight up in the right position, and so is that one. So now we can move on to the final step, which is solving for the bottom corners. And in this instance, we've only got two corners to solve, and we want to put them in the front with the white on the top. And we're just going to do that original move with our right hand until the bottom left one is solved. We're almost there. We're going to try it again. One more time, I bet you we'll get there. Okay, perfect. Now we've got that corner solved, and we're going to turn the bottom to the right to bring the unsolved corner into position. And we're going to do that move with our right hand again that we first learned when we started this video out. And boom, we've moved the green into the proper position, and then you just turn it to match the other colors. And you have yourself a solved Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun and learned something that you can use to impress your friends. If so, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to ring the bell so you get further video notifications. Have an awesome day.